The KETO-MOJO? The OneTouch or AUVON? Perhaps the True METRIX or the i-SENS? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 blood glucose monitors available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best blood glucose monitors. The 5th product on this list is the AUVON I-QARE DSW. Taking care of your health is the most crucial task, and you need to make sure you have all the equipment that you need at home, not just for emergency reasons, but also for monitoring purposes. The AUVON I-QARE DSW is a must-have for this particular reason. For starters, this glucometer is equipped with industry-leading biosensors and technologies. It won't interfere with other sugars, so you can expect accurate and reliable results. This is crucial, especially if you need to base your medication on these readings. It uses cutting-edge test strips enzymes for blood glucose measurements. The test strips are produced with a unique automatic carbon printing technique to ensure that the quality of each batch of strips could be relevantly much more stable, precise, and accurate. Another highlight of this glucose monitor is that it features an automatic ejection function and 10 depth settings, so you can adjust it based on your needs. That's less pain, which can be a relief since you need to do it daily. You'll also love that this kit already comes with 100 blood test strips and 130 gauge lancets, so you don't have to rush to the store and buy them separately. It also comes with a meter and test strip user guide that is very easy to understand, perfect for self-monitoring and home use. What's more, this glucose monitor is shield-shaped, making it easy to fit in the palm and the pocket. On top of that, it comes with a handy drawstring pouch, so you can easily bring it with you on your travels. Its pros are, it comes with a user guide that makes it easy to use, it only takes 6 seconds to get the result after testing, and it recognizes the encrypted batch code on each test strip and doesn't need to manually insert the code. However, its single-button display may not be very appealing for some users. The AUVON I-QARE DSW is a straightforward blood glucose monitor that is perfect for self-monitoring and home use, thanks to its simple user manual and design. Up next in 4th place is the i-SENS CareSens N. Dealing with diabetes and other related illnesses can be stressful, but you can ease that stress with the help of a reliable tool like the i-SENS. This kit comes with a blood glucose meter, 100 blood sugar test strips, a lancing tool, and 100 disposable lancets to make testing your blood sugar as easy and cheap as possible. This blood sugar test kit saves up to 250 tests and has a battery life that's good enough for 1,000 tests. It only needs 0.5 microliters of blood, which makes it easy and painless to prick your finger. You will also like that the monitor is auto-coded and automatically reads the batch code on the test strip that comes with it. This monitor gives you results quickly, in just 5 seconds, which makes it very convenient. It also comes with a handy carrying case that can hold your whole diabetes testing kit, so you can check your blood sugar at home or anywhere else. Moreover, this kit is straightforward to use, so anyone can test their blood sugar. It has a very simple design and the instructions are easy to understand. On top of that, its manufacturer has a dedicated customer service team to provide you with the best service for any issues or problems you're having. Its pros are, it only requires tiny samples and provides results in 5 seconds, making it convenient to use. It comes in a complete set with 100 strips and 100 lancets to start the glucose monitoring right away, and it comes with a convenient carrying case, making it more portable. However, there are a lot of steps to follow, which can be overwhelming at first. The i-SENS CareSens N is an all-in-one glucose kit that can make the lives of people with diabetes a little bit easier by making monitoring easy, accurate, and affordable. Still haven't found the blood glucose monitor that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the True METRIX. If you want a simple blood glucose tester that makes taking measurements straightforward while saving you $1 or $2 on price, then the True METRIX could be the perfect unit for you. Despite its low cost, this glucose kit includes an accurate meter that does not require coding and has a triple sense accuracy system. The results are available in 4 seconds, making it very convenient to use for daily monitoring. Besides that, it has a large and clear display that allows you to see the results even in low light conditions. Even better, this monitor can be connected to a PC using a USB cable or a docking station. This allows you to upload your data not only for backup purposes, but also to analyze trends over longer time periods and more clearly on a large screen. You can also set target ranges for multiple testing times to see how actions affect the results. This works well because you can tag test results with things like exercise or meal times, which provides great context and actually ideas for potential areas of improvement. Finally, you'll enjoy the fact that this monitor can store 500 results in its memory, allowing you to keep longer-term records in case you need to export them for medical references. Its pros are, it has 4 testing reminder alarms, which can help you keep track of your progress. It only requires one CR2 battery that's already included in the kit, and it can be connected to a larger screen, making analysis easier. However, it lacks smartphone app support. The True METRIX meter is a simple system that works quickly and accurately. It's a budget-friendly kit that can help you monitor your health in the comfort of your home. The second product on this list is the KETO-MOJO GK+. If you're looking for a next-generation meter with the most advanced technology with an integrated Bluetooth function, the KETO-MOJO GK+ is the best option for you. With this monitor, you can test for ketosis and blood sugar levels to see how well your keto diet is working and how well you are controlling your diabetes. This glucose and ketones test kit gives you a better idea of what you're eating and what foods might hurt your results. One of the best things about this kit is that it comes with a free smartphone app that lets you instantly sync your readings to your phone and track your ketones and glucose on other popular health apps. The app calculates your glucose-ketone index, which is an essential measure of metabolic health. You might also feel better knowing that many top keto experts, doctors, and researchers trust and recommend this kit for accurate ketosis testing and glucose monitoring. Plus, it has a lifetime warranty, so you know you're completely covered. On top of all these benefits, this kit also has other valuable features, such as auto-coding, the most extensive memory with up to 1,000 readings, more sterile and individually foil-wrapped strips that last longer, and glucose and ketones control solutions. Its pros are, it comes with rich web support with instructional videos and resources for the keto lifestyle. Its app calculates GKI automatically from your ketone and glucose readings, and it's FDA approved, so you never have to question its credibility. However, syncing the data to your smartphone can be a bit tricky for beginners. The GK Plus KETO-MOJO meter is a must-have for anyone on a keto or low-carb diet for weight loss, diabetes management, general health benefits, or therapeutic purposes. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top blood glucose monitor is the OneTouch Verio Reflect. Monitoring your blood sugar levels helps reduce the unpleasant symptoms of high and low blood sugar and avoid long-term diabetes complications. The OneTouch Verio Reflect is, without a doubt, the best companion for this task. It's a complete diabetes kit that includes the blood sugar meter, 30 OneTouch Verio test strips, 30 Delica Plus lancets, 1 Delica Plus lancing device, and a carrying case. That's basically everything you need for everyday blood sugar monitoring and testing. Much like the other products on this list, this monitor can give you easy-to-read blood sugar test results on your glucose monitor in just 5 seconds to help you to act quickly and maintain your glucose control. You'll also love that it's effortless to use. All you need is a tiny drop of blood on either side of the test strips for accurate results. There's also no need for coding when you use this blood glucose meter. This can help you save a lot of time, and you can use these blood sugar test strips right out of the box. Lastly, we like that this kit features a blood sugar mentor feature that gives you personalized guidance, insights, and encouragement so you can take action to help manage highs and lows. Its pros are, it features the OneTouch Reveal app with color-sure technology that automatically organizes your blood sugar results in a color-coded logbook. It gives you accurate results you can trust to help you take action and manage your diabetes. It has a slim, compact design that's easy to slide into a jacket pocket, and it has a bright white on black display with a built-in automatic backlight for easy viewing in darker rooms. However, It does not include a port light to help you insert a test strip or apply a blood droplet to test strip in darker places. The OneTouch Verio Reflect is the best choice if you want an accurate blood glucose monitor with a small size, clear display, and many features to help you control your blood sugar better. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.